Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable hide app icon on the taskbar in your stand PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to enable hide app icons on the taskbar in your stand PC or laptop, so very easy. First you click on start, type here settings, open settings, click on system, click on tablet. Here option change additional tablet settings, so click it. And here option hide app icon on the taskbar, so select to on position. There it is. So as this is very simple and easy method if you want to enable hide app icons on the taskbar in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video useful or not. Thank you for watching.